Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 drawing tablets. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Parblo A640 Drawing Tablet. Product appearance adopts knife-style design, the thinnest part is 5.2 mm only. Wireless and battery-free pen, without need to be charged. USB Type-C interface offers a convenient connection. Equipped with 4 customizable shortcut keys. 8192 pressure sensitivity provides a delicate using experience. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Jaman Graphics Pen Tablet. The new high-speed processor allows the tablet to read data faster. The 5080 LPI resolution ensures low distortion, resulting in very smooth and precise lines. 2048 pressure levels would reflect your creation, with the most accurate details. 10BT 6.25 inches optimum working area meets your needs, and makes you enjoy drawing. Only 1 cm thickness, net weight 780 grams, the tablet is very portable. Best of 3. XP Pen 6x4 inch Drawing Tablet. Enjoy the lightweight and sleek design of the new G640. 6x4 inches active area, more space for your creation. The G640 is only 2 mm thick, it's as slim as all primary level graphic tablets, allowing you to carry it with you on the go. 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving it the intelligence to modify. Battery-free, sensitive brush, allowing you to play with music and enjoy the game. Passive electromagnetic technology, compatible with most operating systems and applications. Best of 2. Huion Graphics Drawing Tablet. Compatible with all major graphics application. Function as the cursor, and the board as the screen. Pen scrolling, you can scroll documents and web pages. Made of wool felt and microfiber leather, light and soft. Pocket design, extra space left for cell phone, postcard key, notebook or other tiny items. Best of 1. Wacom Intuos Graphics Tablet. 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, and 2540 lip. Connect this digital drawing tablet to your computer, via USB cable to your Mac or PC. Slim design and compact sized art tablet, with a large drawing area. Easy setup, for both left and right-handed use. Every Intuos comes with 3 software titles upon registration. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.